Hello everyone. Today I would like to present a topic about the power of gamification. Okay, let's start with the background. As shown on the slide, EFL learners face three critical bottlenecks. First, vocabulary limitation, which paralyze their reading and speaking skills. Second, conventional methods, which rely heavily on rote memorize, memorization and static type. This directly leads to the third issue, low motivation, where students feel disconnected and bored. This academic gap is exactly why pedagogical shift is urgently needed. Okay, for a next slide is what is gamification. To address this issue, we introduce gamification as our primary solution as defined on the left side of the slide. Gamification is the strategic integration of game mechanics into non-game educational context. It is not about making student play video games during class. Instead, as you can see from the visual layout on the right, it use, use structural element to redesign vocabulary exercise into an interactive rewarding journey. And next, for theoretical framework, for theory, what does this technique work so effectively? The scientific validity is rooted in two pillars, shown in the columns on the screen. On the left, self-determination theory by DC and Ryan explain that elements like choice and mastery fulfill students' psychological needs for autonomy and competence. On the right, the dopamine feedback loop explain the cognitive mechanic. Instant micro rewards trigger dopamine release, reducing cognitive fatigue and driving voluntary and repeated practice. And next, the core gamification mechanics. Let's look at the core mechanics utilized by modern mobile apps. Display in the four structure bullet point on the slide. First, point and badge act as immediate tokens of achievement. Second, leaderboards introduce healthy, low stakes per competition. And third, daily streaks build behavioral consistency by rewarding daily habits. Together, these elements shift the mindset from core studying to active engagement. And for research methodology is to evaluate the empirical impact of this approach. As structured on the slide, the research utilized two distinct groups to stabilize a baseline comparison. The experimental group receive a targeted vocabulary training via a gamified mobile app, while the control group engaged in regular conventional reading and paper-based list memorization without any game elements. And sebenarnya beda sih, tapi udah. And for empirical result, pretest versus post-test. The statistical variance between the two groups is clearly illustrated in the comparative data. and bar chart on this slide. Initially, both groups demonstrate equal baseline levels, with the control scoring 65 and the experimental scoring 60. However, after the implementation period, the control group only achieved a 10-point gain, reaching to 85. In stark contrast, the gamified experimental group achieved a massive 23-point increase, skyrocketing to an average score of 88. And from these empirical findings, we can classify three major educational benefits. First, higher retention because spaced repetition with the game levels secured words into long-term memory. Second, autonomous learning, which encourages independent study outside the classroom without teacher supervision. Third, low anxiety, because the game-like environment removes the fear of negative judgment, allowing students to learn from mistakes safely. And the conclusion from this 4 point is gamification is a scientifically backed cognitive strategy that effectively reduce cognitive load and maximize vocabulary acquisition. By aligning educational goals with human psychology, we can unlock our student through linguistic potential. Okay, maybe that's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for listening my presentation. Uh, Goodbye and have a nice day.
Bye.